Hello, hello, hello. This is Els. And it's Wednesday. So what's Wednesday? Wednesday's Tuesday morning day. That's right. So the first thing I found was this. And this is from Graphic 45. It's craft paper, quotes and newsprint. Double-sided sheet. So I gotta take a look, because I didn't see this when it was actually, in the store. So there's 2 sheets in here. And this is like a dictionary sheet. And the other side is like this. So, kind of cool. So I got that. And that was $3.99. But it had that yellow ticket on it, so it was 20% off. Because you guys know me, I hate paying full price for anything. Got to get something on sale every time or I'm not happy. Okay. And it came in this cool tube, so I can use the tube to mail stuff. All right, so what else did I get? Let's take a look. So, the next thing I got was this. This is DCWV 180 sheets, the Everyday Essentials stack. 180 sheets of 8.5 by 11 printed paper, acid-free. Let's open this puppy up. So. Okay, so this one was $9.99, and that's more than I usually like to pay for a pad, because $9.99 I usually get to 12 by 12. So getting a 8.5 by 11 for $9.99 is a little bit pricey, even for Tuesday morning, especially for Tuesday morning. But it was okay because I was willing to do it. Number on this one, 212-2282. 212-2282. Okay. So the reason that I was willing to do this is because this pad is like, all the papers that we use in junk journals, but they come in colors. See, like these are all gray, and these are all tan. And purple, and blue, and dark blue and green, and bright green, and yellow, and orange, and red, and pink, and like dark blood red kind of color. Okay, we use these all the time, but these are already pre-dyed. The only problem is that they are single-sided, so they're white on the back, so I have to do something with the backs of the pages. But at least I have a variety that I can put in my journals. So I got that. Next, I've seen a couple of people hauling these, so I grabbed a few. This is Pink Paisley Spellcast, 36 sheets. They are single-sided. Some have gold foil, and some of these are embossed. I got 2 of those. The number on this one, 2102354, $2.99. All right. Now, they hadn't finished the truck when I left, but the girls are going to hold on to anything for me so that they'll get me a basket, and then I can go in and film it, and then they'll put it up if I don't want it. So, and I don't get to take it until after it gets put up. So, but they will hold it for me till tomorrow. So this one has some cut aparts. They're really cool. And then we've got some like dots and some these, and then this flower and this like potion page and these diamond shapes and like these vintage witches. And this one's pretty cool. It's like a very light newsprint with stars and moons all embossed in gold. And then you've got this one here, which is very faint spiders on there. Those little white dots you guys see? They're little faint spiders. And then there's this one, which is like a apothecary looking page, and then you've got this spider web and some checkerboard, which is actually made out of what looks like miniature newsprint, and then this vein stuff and some foiling and this orange swirl, these little cut aparts here, these bigger cut aparts, this page, and you got this flowered page, and then it repeats. So you have 2 pages of each, and some of them are a little different. That page isn't in the back, and that page wasn't in the back, and that one certainly was not in the back. So there's it says 36 sheets, but it doesn't say anything about, you know, the repeat frequency or anything like that. But so some of them, there's only a single sheet of it in there. So that's cool. Now, I did manage to find the ephemera packs that go with it. 40 pieces in here. And these are 2102448. And this is the Spellcast ephemera. So it's the one that goes with this one. Let's take a look and see what comes in here. Well, it says all of this stuff. A skull and some cards and some labels and some bottles and a cauldron and a flower and a cat. And Happy Halloween. Looks like there's a couple of tags in there and some frames. So not bad, all in all. They are flat print for the most part that I've noticed on flat white cardstock. But I did get 2 of those because they work in, you know, some of the journals that I make. And then I got this. And I got this one specifically for somebody. I'm going to cut her out a buttload of these and send them to her. This is Sheena by Sheena Douglas. Perfect Partners Alchemy. This is called Lines of Destiny. Now, I wish it was this cool, but it's not. It's just the palm. And it's actually made to coordinate with this particular rubber stamp, but they did not have that. So they do have the rubber stamp that you can stamp and then cut out with this, but they did not have the rubber stamp. I did not see the rubber stamp. It may still be on the truck. Hard to say. But this was $4.99, 217-6331. But I'm going to cut a whole bunch of these out and send them to somebody I know, and she can put in the lines herself. She knows what she's doing. So that was my Tuesday morning haul. That was it. There really wasn't a lot. But like I said, it was a big, big truck, and they had not yet finished unpacking it. And I left there about 3 hours after they started unpacking. So, until the next time, subscribe, like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends, and I'll show you neat stuff from Tuesday morning. Till the next time, bye-bye.